Hi, I'm Jeremiah and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how I built this skateboard rack in under 1 hour. Check it out. So we have this section in our garage for my niece and nephew's rollerblades and bikes and skateboards and things like that. And I wanted to start tackling the process of getting this organized. The biggest problem we have right now is all these skateboards. They get kind of leaned against the wall and then they accidentally roll under cars. One of them has gotten run over and it may or may not have been my fault, but I'm gonna blame my nephew, Henry. This is Henry, it's his fault.
You're mean.
But first things first, I'm gonna get all of this cleared out so that we can start adding some order into this area of the garage. So once the space was cleaned up, I laid out the skateboards on some scrap wood to get an idea of spacing. Then I took some measurements of the space between the skateboards and the distance between the wheels of the smallest board I wanted to hang. Next, I marked out the notches in the board where each board would rest using a basic square. I made the angle 45 degrees. I used a bandsaw to rough out the notch. Then I used a Forstner bit on my drill press to cut the round parts. I cleaned up each notch on a spindle sander and then sanded the faces with an orbital sander. All that was left were 3 cross pieces that would connect the 2 sides. I put the smallest skateboards in the notches and took another measurement just to be sure. A little glue and some screws and the construction was done. All right, it's all put together. Let's do a test fit. What are you doing, Henry? Hey, is it sitting on the ground?
Yep.
It works.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, should we go bounce it to the wall?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We just invented a handshake.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So, found the studs, got the screws set and ready to go. Henry's gonna hold the level. All right, put the level up like that, and then now we put skateboards in. Perfect. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration and some motivation because, you know, only took us less than an hour to do. What do you think, Henry?
I like it because you can see the artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's part of the fun of a skateboard, right?
Yep. Hit like and subscribe and check them out on Instagram.
Oh yeah. See you next time. We did it!
We finally did it!